Hello and welcome to my channel. I am super excited to bring you today's video. If you're looking for ideas of what to eat to lose weight, this video is for you. They are tasty and easy to prepare. So let's get started with the first bowl. I will be adding about 1 teaspoon of butter to a pan, and I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. This tomato puree is really good. It doesn't have that sour taste that comes with puree tomato, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to quickly mix them together, and I'll go ahead. I'll be adding my butter beans. Butter beans, if you've not had them before, you're really missing. They are not just tasty, but they are good for you as a low fat and low calorie food. I have added my pepper. If you watch my video regularly, you know I like black pepper. So I'm just adding my tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes, which I have cut in halves. And I will go ahead to add my Himalayan salt. I love my Himalayan salt. I'm mixing everything together just so they marry each other in the pan. It's looking all nice and pretty. See how I am describing food. Anyway, to prepare the dressing for this balanced bowl, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I will go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of honey. I will follow this up by adding my mustard, just a little bit of mustard, not so much, around half teaspoon of mustard, and I'll add my peanut butter. I am using 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. That's a very big scoop. Anyway, if you know me, you know I love my peanut butter. I'm using the crunchy one because I just love to bite into those crunch. I'm adding my liquid seasoning, black pepper, and I'll be adding water just to make it easy to mix. I'll close the lid and I will shake, and we are ready to assemble everything. I'm getting all excited now. So in a bowl, I've added this mixed salad leaves, and I am adding my already made buckwheat. You can check the description for a link that will take you to how I prepared this buckwheat. And then remember the butter beans from earlier? I'll be adding it to the bowl. Just look at this beauty. I'll add everything, and I will follow it up with wait and see. Tick tock, tick tock, tick ta-da! I am adding smoked ham. Why am I so excited? I am excited because these ham trimmings are like bae. They're tasty, they're succulent, they're juicy. Anyway, I'm adding my onion slices just to give it that freshness and flavor and crunch. I'll go ahead and I'll be adding also grated cheddar. This just makes everything feels like home. Remember the dressing from earlier? I'll be drizzling everything. Just look at this beauty. If you're looking for something tasty to eat to lose weight at the same time, you need to try this bowl. It's got everything good in it. It's tasty, it is delicious, it is nutritious, and it will keep you full for long. What more can a girl ask for? So for the next balanced bowl, we need some lettuce for this one. So I will be chopping them up nicely, not too big and not too small. Just say when you're eating it, you know, you're biting into it and it's full in your mouth. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I am giving this a rough chop, and I'll be adding it to my bowl, followed by the other ingredients that you need to watch so that you can see the next things I'll be adding into this balanced bowl. The next thing is 1 satsuma. I will be peeling 1 satsuma. It's getting interesting, isn't it? Lettuce, satsuma. What is the connection? Just wait and see. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Anyway, I'm giving my onions in fine slice. So I'll be adding it to the bowl. Honestly, at this point, I've lost it. I don't know why I am laughing. And I'm not going to edit this out, so just bear with me. I have another set of cherry tomatoes which I'm cutting into 2, cutting them in halves, and I'll be adding them to my balanced bowl. Here comes the egg. I've cut them into bites and I'll be adding them to my balanced bowl. Why do I keep saying my balanced bowl? Our balanced bowl is better. I've just added some almond flakes. It adds some nuttiness to the bowl. I've added my chickpeas and I'll be adding my mackerel in sunflower oil. Do you like mackerel? I love mackerel. If you watch my channel, if you are a regular viewer, you will know I eat mackerel. I can eat mackerel morning, afternoon and night. I'm also adding those cherry tomatoes from earlier. Okay, tell me, have you seen anything this beautiful? Have you? Anyway, I've just added few drops of my liquid seasoning. Why do I keep saying mine? Whew. It is time to give this beauty a good mix. You're going to mix everything to make sure, they incorporate, they mix together, they marry each other, they collaborate each other. What is wrong with me? I almost forgot my pepper. I'm going to add that now. Okay, people, you just have to bear with me. I don't know what is wrong with me. Like, honestly, I don't know why I am just getting all over excited. I don't know. I am giving this a good mix just because I've added a pepper, and now I'm going to be transferring it into my bowl. Now, this is what I call a balanced bowl. It's got everything that your body needs to function properly. It is packed with protein to keep you full for long, which aids weight loss. You remember the egg from earlier? I'm just going to place them nicely on top of this beauty, just to garnish it. Now, our second balanced bowl is ready. We have one more balanced bowl to make, which is the third one. I have everything I need in front of me. I think I should leave you in peace to actually watch this without me talking. Anyway, let me know in the comment section if you enjoy me talking while making this kind of videos, or you prefer watching it without me talking. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comment section. Hello, I am back. Check out this goodness in front of you. This is one bowl of delicious goodness. Whew, yummy. So yummy. You need to try these recipes. Trust me, you will thank me later. Until I come your way next time. Bye bye.